Hi, in this video, I will share invaluable tips on how to build a sales funnel for your business. Having a clear sales funnel is critical to selling effectively online, as it helps map the customer journey. From promoting brand awareness to persuading prospects to purchase, here are the 7 steps to build a sales funnel. First, you should know your target audience well if you wish to create a high-converting sales funnel. Trying to sell to everyone just isn't effective. Therefore, target a specific group of people you want as your ideal customers instead. Doing so will give you insights into how they make purchasing decisions, allowing you to adapt your sales strategy accordingly. To define your target audience, consider their demographics such as their age, gender, location, and economic status. Think about their pain points. What problems are they trying to solve? Consider their goals and evaluate their interests. How can your product or service help them achieve it? Knowing their interests will help you create content that resonates with your audience, even if they are not product related. To help you tailor your communication strategy, create a buyer persona based on your collected information. Ask yourself, why would customers want to buy your products or services? How will they benefit from the product? How will they find your brand? Remember that the first stage of the sales funnel is about introducing your brand to as many channels as possible. So, figure out which social media platform your potential customers use the most and choose the most effective one to reach them. For example, whether you'll be posting content on Facebook, running Instagram ads, writing guest posts, or hiring an influencer to market your products. Although potential customers might have discovered your brand, they're not ready to buy anything just yet. Convincing them to follow you is important in building the relationship and establishing trust. But how do you gain their interest in the first place? Here's where lead magnets come into play. Lead magnets are free, valuable resources offered to potential customers in exchange for their contact details, ranging from ebooks, templates, reports, or online courses. For instance, LinkedIn Marketing Solutions offers a free content marketing workbook to help marketers optimize their marketing strategy. To access the workbook, you'll need to enter your email address, company name, and advertising budget. Besides encouraging potential customers to give their contact information, a lead magnet helps you identify who is actually interested in your product or service. Designing a lead magnet around a broader topic can get you more contacts, but they might only sometimes get qualified leads. That's why creating one specifically tailored to the audience you wish to attract is important. For example, a cooking blog like Wholesome Yum offers a free ebook covering healthy recipes to get visitors to sign up for their email list. Remember that your lead magnet's content also becomes a starting point to transform your leads into a buying decision. So, making something useful that your audience can't find elsewhere is key. On top of that, keep your content accessible and easy to digest. Creating a landing page is the next step to building an effective sales funnel. An engaging landing page can better convince visitors to complete an action if optimized around a specific goal. For example, it can be dedicated to signing up for your email newsletter, learning more about an offer, or engaging with a lead magnet. Whether you wish to be discovered through Facebook ads, YouTube videos, or Google posts, a landing page is the first opportunity to learn about your business. So it is important to clearly describe your offers and highlight your product or services. Apart from a visually appealing design, a good landing page should have a clear call to action, a unique value proposition, and social proof to establish credibility. Wise is an excellent landing page example. In addition to the 2 call to actions above the fold, it repeats the advantages of using Wise and pairs it with additional call to action to help visitors get started. Moreover, an interactive widget estimates transfer and exchange fees for different currencies. And finally, visitors can see testimonials from users at the bottom, which supports the brand's credibility. Remember that your landing page will depend on what action you want the visitors to take. Include a form to get visitors' contact details to build your email list, like this landing page example. Creating a landing page is simpler than you think. You'll need a hosting plan and a content management system like WordPress. Go to Hostinger.com and choose Business Web Hosting. Remember to use our promo code HA10 to get 10% off. The plan includes a free domain name for a year, so you don't need to purchase an additional one. Check out the availability of your domain name using the domain checker. Once you've bought the hosting plan and installed WordPress, you can add a new page and start customizing your landing page. For a step-by-step guide, check our video tutorial on how to create a landing page. I'll put the link in the video description below. Once you've captured the leads' emails, next up is building relationships with prospects. You can do this via an automated email sequence. An email sequence is a series of emails sent to your prospects based on predetermined criteria. For instance, an email that upsells another product can be scheduled to arrive shortly after the initial purchase, making them more likely to follow through. Usually you start with a welcome sequence after they sign up for your email list. After that, launch a nurture email sequence to prepare them to make a purchase. You can educate prospects, introduce offers, and address any objections that they may have about the product. Other types of email sequences include onboarding, abandoned cart, event, and renewal sequences. When creating your email sequence, focus on delivering value. Instead of boasting about your business, highlight your product's benefits and how it will solve the prospect's problems. Next, personalize your email to make it memorable. You can add the subscriber's name in the subject line or modify the email content based on gender, location, interests, or browsing history. Then, add a clear call to action that links to your sales page. Make it specific so customers know what to expect when clicking. Make it visible and distinct from the rest of your content. You can also create urgency by telling potential customers about time-sensitive offers and special discounts. Numerous online tools are available to help you automate email sequences like ConvertKit and HubSpot email marketing tool. Start by sending daily emails at the beginning of your initiative so customers don't forget who you are. Then, reduce the frequency as the relationship progresses. After nurturing your prospects through email sequences, make your final pitch with a dedicated sales page. What's the difference compared to a landing page? Landing pages can have several purposes, but a sales page focuses solely on selling. Generally, there are two types of sales pages, depending on the length. Long-form sales pages typically contain over 400 words and have multiple sections highlighting the benefits. This is a great format for high-priced items, as you'll have more space to convince visitors of the product's value. That said, you risk overwhelming visitors with information, so write a clear and concise copy. On the other hand, short-form sales pages only consist of a few sections of the copy. They list the benefits similar to bullet points and add call-to-action buttons to encourage sales. Such pages work great for leads already aware of your product. To create high-converting sales pages, highlight the product or service's features and benefits and explain how you differ from competitors. Catch visitors' attention by writing an eye-catching headline to explain what you're selling, but ensure that it resonates with your prospects. State their problems and share worst-case scenarios if they don't use your product or service. A good sales page also has a simple checkout process to prevent customers from abandoning their carts. To streamline the checkout process, consider adding such features as guest checkout and social login, offering free shipping, providing multiple payment options, and improving page loading speed. Once the sales funnel is set up, track its performance. Doing so will help you identify areas of improvement so you can plan a better strategy and get better results. Tracking the website's traffic is a good start to gauge your performance. See how many people visit the landing page and where they come from. Did they discover you from search engines, social networks, or paid ads? There are many tools to help you track your traffic. For example, SEMrush lets you see the number of total visits, session duration, and bounce rate. Google Analytics is an excellent option if you're looking for a free web analytics tool. We have a webinar on Google Analytics to help you learn how to add it to your website. You can find the link in the description below. Using Google Analytics, you can also track the number of downloads for your lead magnets, email signups, open rates, and click-through rates. Also, measure the conversion rate to determine your effort's effectiveness. Optimize your sales funnel by testing different types of content, offers, and designs to see what works best. You can also perform A/B testing to compare the different versions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Lastly, don't forget to leverage your website and social media to optimize your sales funnel. Your website is the hub of all your marketing materials and contact details. Adding a blog to your website can help widen your audience reach and keep existing leads engaged. You can write about product-related content, tutorials, success stories, industry news, or anything that will resonate with your target audience. Besides landing pages, blog posts are great for displaying strong call to actions that link to lead magnets or sales pages. You can also establish credibility by having a solid social media presence. Post engaging content, reply to comments, and answer your followers' messages. Cross-promote your social networks by embedding your accounts into the blog. Another thing to keep in mind is your website's user experience. Ensure your site has smooth navigation, loads fast, and is error-free. To help streamline the purchasing process, consider adding live chat to your landing or checkout pages. That way, customers can quickly and easily reach you with their concerns, improving trust and customer satisfaction. To retain existing customers, continue reaching out to them. Offer coupon codes, thank them for their purchases, and invite them to join a loyalty or referral program. And that's how you build a sales funnel. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, subscribe to the Hostinger Academy YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.